Alright, then we cover it with a foil. And the saran wrap. It's hard when your hands are sticky, isn't it? Get that side. There we go. Oh, and the spoon stays in there? Okay. We can do that. Good job. There's Audrey's bread ready to go. You agree, Athena? Did you help too? Yeah. Where are we going to put it, Audrey? Good job. Thank you. Good job. You want to sit right there? Yeah. Yeah. Look at that beautiful bread you're making. Your hands? Look at your hands all sticky.